Okay, so good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Rotract President Pooja Jahagirdar, Rotract Secretary Pratibha, all the members of Rotract Club of Pune Urja. Special mention of Rotarian Pradeep Wagh, who is the brain and action behind enterprise education seminars being conducted for quite some time. My all district 3131 literacy team members, director Deepa, co-director Avinash, then a special mention of two members, Mamata and Sunita. I think they are actively working for this particular seminar along with Rotarian Pradeep Wagh and all the other team members. There might be a lot of Rotractors from the other clubs, so my good wishes to all of them, and special mention of today's special occasion, which is the Teachers' Day. So my good wishes to all of you on this auspicious day. Now, little bit about the enterprise education webinars. Yeah. So, Dr. Pradeep Wagh, in synergy with RID 3131 District Literacy Committee, has planned a series of webinars on enterprise education. Now, this is the third in the series. Two have already happened on July 22nd and August 9. And two more are lined up on 12th of September and 19th of September. I would request all of you to again join for the next two seminars also. Now, for every webinar, Dr. Wagh had invited speakers from various Rotary clubs from India, Nepal, US, and Australia. Rotarian Pradeep is quite well connected with Rotary world, not only in India, but across the world. So he is using his contacts and resources to further enrich the enterprise education delivery of the seminars. After conducting webinar 2, the team felt the need for conducting tutorials for the attendees to guide them to complete their enterprise education worksheets. So two tutorial sessions were conducted for Rotractors and teachers separately. In the final and the last webinar 5, Dr. Wagh is going to announce two winners from amongst all these participants, and the cash prizes are going to be handed over at the hands of DG Rashmi, the district governor of District 3131. Enterprise education is to provide an opportunity for every school-going child to develop an enterprising mindset. Now, if you have just gone through the new education policy, you will see that a lot of stress has been given on this particular subject, which helps in career selection when you actually are ready to decide about the career. So this is a very good concept, enterprise education, to inculcate the values of and the knowledge of enterprise education or career or business while you are studying right from the school age. That thing has to be nurtured in the students. So I compliment Dr. Pradeep and the entire literacy committee, who is taking lot of efforts to conduct this very unique subject, which is not talked out much. So this is about the enterprise education. Now I will come to a little bit of Rotary and Rotract movement. So as you know, the literacy is one amongst 7 different avenues of service in Rotary, and basic education and literacy is very, very significant amongst all these 7. Now, in India, in Southeast Asia, literacy rate is quite less as compared. We need to catch up, and that is why in somewhere around 2012, Rotary India Literacy Mission was formed as a part of Rotary subgroup. So this particular unit of Rotary, RILM that is called as, has developed a very good program called as Teach. They coined the term as Teach, which is very significant because each letter of Teach defines a particular activity which is beneficial either to student, teachers, or the schools, or all of them together. So I will quickly go through the terminology for the benefit of all. So T stands for Teachers Support or Teachers Education. And since then we have been conducting different kinds of teachers training program on varied subject for the teachers that helps teachers to really train themselves well, be abreast with the latest practices which are happening into the teaching area, and they can deliver it in a better way for their students. So the quality of education will be definitely increased. So this is about the teachers program, a teachers training program. The next letter is E. E is e-learning, and which is also called as Rotary Distance Education Program, RDEP popularly called as. This is nothing but the online training kits which provides audio visual teaching to the students. So you would agree with me, when student sees what it is being explained on the screen, the memory is improved, and you can remember the teaching for a longer term, and then the understanding is also better when you go through the audio visual medium. So knowing this particular advantage, the Rotary has entered into RDP program, giving thousands of kits across India to the various deserving schools which are not having good infrastructure. So even in RID 3131, we are way ahead other districts because we were the pioneer of RDP program in India. So in RID 3131 also, thousands of kits have been provided to the rural and deserving schools. So next is adult literacy, and everybody knows that we have to catch up a lot when it comes to the literacy, and especially the adult literacy. So there are so many parents, there are so many rural citizens who are elderly and have not gone through the formal education process. So they are being taught through the adult literacy program, in which we try to give them certain learning which help them to at least prepare themselves for to call as literate, which means they can sign instead of putting a thumb, they can write their name, they can do some small calculations, etc. So this is what is all about adult literacy program. The next is child development, which is again student development, we can call it, especially for the primary and secondary level education. And that contains lot of inputs to be given to the school going children, not only just academic, but out of academics like personality development, learning different skills, etc. So that is about child development. And another very important program under child development is your Asha Kiran program, whereby we strive to send the students which are not in the education stream back to the school. So for some reason they would have opted out of the teaching field, and then because of their poverty, because of their other reasons, so we try to motivate them, we try to support them so that they can join the school and continue their education. So this is a very important and flagship program of RILM, which is called as Asha Kiran, whereby if you donate 2,500 rupees to the Asha Kiran program, one student will be put into the school on behalf of you. You will be the sponsor of that particular student. And the last letter of each is H, which is Happy School. As you know, into the rural areas and into the slum areas, lot of schools which doesn't have the basic necessities in place. So the quality of infrastructure is not good, and that is why Rotary strive hard to give them those basic infrastructure which is having variety of parts, so that the school education, the quality is improved, and student can enjoy their learning and they can retain within the school. So this is about the Teach, so which is a very, very vast program. Rotary has been doing lot of work. Now here I would mention one important point, especially from the Rotract point of view. What I have observed that Rotractors or Rotract clubs are doing some work into literacy, but it is not substantial to the potential which they come with. So here I would request all the Rotract clubs in the district 3131 and especially the Urja club that give due thought to this particular avenue of basic education and literacy. And there is a lot of work which Rotractors can also do. One amongst it will be the volunteering, because volunteering is very, very important even for your academics and your professional career, which not only can come into your biodata, but more importantly, you can contribute to the students and their learning. So I request earnestly to all Rotractors to take maximum part into basic education and literacy and do some projects during the year. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Uh, I, uh, I request Dr. Pradeep to take this program forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much. बहुत मन से बोले हैं आप, दिल से बोले हैं. Thank you. और मेरी इतनी बढ़ाई कर दी, आभारी हूँ. इतना नहीं हूँ मैं I'm an ordinary person. Pooja, please carry on.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for the beautiful introduction of the event. And surely we would like to take this in our further projects. So thank you so much. Now I would like Pratik to give the introduction about Rotarian Krishnan, sir. Over to you, Pratik.
Okay. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. Warm greeting to everyone. And of course, thank you so much for joining the today's session. And it is my honor to, to say something about today's speaker. I would say myself, I'm really much lucky to introduce the person, the Rotarian Krishnan Chittur sir, who is a gold medalist in the University of Bombay and a graduate from the Harvard Law School. Of course, he's a lawyer in private practice or by profession. I would say that he has admitted into the to the practice in U.S. Supreme Court, also into the several jurisdictions in the United States and even in the Mumbai and India. Rotarian Chittur sir, actually I was surprised to see that he really began his journey as a Rotractor in late, like in 1972, where we were not even born. And I think that was really fantastic point to note it down, that when he began his journey as a Rotractor member, and the way that he has dedicated his time and the efforts to all the Rotractor clubs and the Rotract clubs even. He has given and awarded by the various district awards, like District Peace Award for the International Understanding, District Award for the Community Service. Even he has participated in the various Peace Fellowship program, vocational training programs, and even in the Youth Exchange Scholarship program. I would like to say that Rotarian Krishnan Chittur sir was also the chief guest at the Rotary RID 3131 International Service and the Peace webinar as well. So I would really like to welcome Rotarian Krishnan Chittur sir, who is a Rotary International past district governor for the 2018-19 from the RID 7230 New York City and Westchester country. I think I can talk a lot about the sir, but due to time limitations, I conclude here the introduction, and I welcome Rotarian Krishnan Chittur sir. Sir, over to you. Thank you. Hello.
Request him to unmute himself.